Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carla Cook, and today we are diving into one of the most common questions I get. How do you choose the right fitness path when there's so many options out there?
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
From gym workouts, from home setups, outdoor activities, group classes, and even online fitness programs. So let's break it down and help you find the best fitness program for your lifestyle and your goals. First up, the gym. The gym is a great place if you like a variety of gym equipment, whether it's lifting weights or using machines or joining a spinning class or yoga class. The gym offers tons of options. Plus, you have the added motivation to be surrounded by others that are as well working until those fitness goals that you are after. Keep in mind that gyms also require a membership, and for some, the atmosphere may feel intimidating at first. So, the pros of going to a gym is that you have a variety of equipment, a motivating atmosphere, options on classes that you can take. And the cons, the membership cost, and it can as well be overwhelming for new beginners. Next, my favorite, home workouts.
Are you guys ready for this? Let's go. Remember, 30-second work and 30-second rest. And we're going to do it 4 times each exercise. Let's go.
If you're someone that prefers the convenience and the privacy of working out at home, you can get a great workout in with minimal equipment. Think dumbbells, resistance bands, and even body weight exercises. Plus, there is no commute, which saves time. The challenge here is staying motivated without that push from a gym or a class environment. So the pros that we have with this option is that it's affordable, it's convenient, and it is flexible on your schedule. So if you're working from home, you never have to leave the gym. You can just work out at home. And I enjoy working out in my home gym, especially in the winter. Like in the summer, you can get above 100 degrees. So I have to get very creative. I have to put the fan. Sometimes I leave the door that connects to the rest of my house. I leave it open so that a little bit of that AC can come in. I also have a small AC unit that I use from time to time that helps me to get through the whole summer. But definitely it is very convenient in time. Now the cons is that you have limited motivation. You will have to motivate yourself. You have to become creative. That's why I like to mention like on my Instagram, to make your workouts exciting, make your workouts fun, especially if you're working out from home. And also, you still can wear cute clothes even if you're not gonna go um, outside. If you're not gonna drive to a gym, you can still wear cute outfits to keep you motivated. Another con is the equipment. There is limited equipment unless you decide to invest, which I believe that investing in a home gym, it's a great investment because you save gas driving, and you can pretty much dress however you want. No one's gonna be judging you for setting up, like if you want to record, if you want to do, like certain routines. You can even like invite your neighbors. Like I have a neighbor that she keeps on telling me, "Hey, I want to work out with you." And it's your space, and you can choose to do as you please. The next option that you have is outdoor activities.
I can see the sign of a brighter future. I believe that I will be free. I will dream tonight. I will dream about you. There's a hope in life for us. Every day, every night, I've been dreaming of us. Every day, every night, I've been closing my eyes for you. Oh yeah. Every day, every night, I've been dreaming of us. Every day, every night, I've been closing my eyes for you. Oh yeah.
Outdoor activities are perfect if you love fresh air and nature. This is my option usually, like for summer or like whenever my kids finish school. We love going to the trail. We do a 4K run, a jog, and we enjoy that. Sometimes we take the scooters, and it's a great place to connect with your family. If you are an outdoor lover, this is a great option for you. Whether it's running, cycling, hiking, or even outdoor boot camps, this option allows you to combine fitness with the benefits of being outside. It is free, it is fun, but yeah, also we have to consider weather. Weather can be a limiting factor depending on where you live. I live in the south. I live in Texas. It's pretty hot, but whenever I go out to run or whenever I go see a sport, I like to put sunscreen because you want to protect your little ones and you want to protect your skin as well. The pros on choosing this option is that it's free and it is a very refreshing environment and is very healthy for mental health. And the cons is it is weather dependent. If it rains, you cannot be running outside. There is also a limitation in equipment unless you're actually going to a structure class, a Zumba class outside, or jump rope outside. Shout out to my friend Natalia. She's a jump rope master. You should follow her. She can teach you to use the jump rope. And group fitness classes are ideal if you thrive on energy and accountability. Whether it's spin, Zumba, CrossFit, or a dance class, being part of a community can be lots of fun when it comes to working out. You got the instructor guiding you, and that group, that community that is pushing you forward, is giving you accountability. However, this can be more expensive, often requiring scheduling around inconvenient times, around class times. The pros that I find is that it is fun, it keeps you accountable, it builds community, and it can be very motivating. The cons that I find here is that it can be costly and be limited in flexibility. And last but not least, online fitness programs. In today's digital world, there is no shortage on fitness apps, YouTube videos like this one, subscription-based programs that are being offered on the digital world, which you can follow anywhere, whether it's yoga, weight training, or HIIT. Online fitness programs offer a variety of flexibility options that you can do anywhere, right at your fingertips. And pretty much you only need a device and internet connection. The pros is that this option is affordable, it's free, flexible on schedule, and endless options. The cons is that it's less accountability, easy to miss or skip. You can also lose some consistency. That's why it's so important for us to work on discipline, for us to work on keeping ourselves accountable. It's good to have someone else to be accountable for you. But remember, you are the one that needs to be first on that list on keeping yourself accountable. So there you have it. Whether you are a gym goer, home workout fan, or an outdoor enthusiast, a group class junkie, or just someone that loves that convenience, online programs, there is something convenient for everyone. The key is to try out different options and see what fits your lifestyle, personality, and your goals best. So let me know in the comments what your fitness path looks like, or what you're excited to try next. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips and workout inspiration. And I will catch you on my next one. Bye.
Mama told me when I was young, we are all born superstars. She rolled my hair and put my lipstick on in the glass of her boudoir. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause he made you perfect, babe. So hold your head up, girl, and you'll go far.